Hi, I'm Alan, Collision Center Manager here at Barry's Automotive. We've had some big changes here at Barry's. We moved the Collision Center to the main building on Cornell Highway. It is our hope that we can better serve our clients if we have all our services at one location. We're always trying to provide new and creative services for our customers. We have headlamp restoration, wheel repair, and our newest service of all is a day of beauty for your car. Just drop your car off for the day, pick it up looking like the day you bought it. Barry's, take the drive. You're worth it.